बे को लगता नहीं है कि मेलो डाउन हुआ हो इतना, गुस्सा तो अभी भी बहुत आता है. आई एम नॉट अ पीपल प्लीजर. मतलब वो इट्स नॉट इवन अ कंसिडरेशन जब मैं किसी से बात कर रहा हूँ कि अरे यार इसको लगना चाहिए कि बहुत ही अच्छा आदमी है. फॉर्चुनेटली और अनफॉर्चुनेटली इन इंडिया वी हैव हैड अ वेरी बिग शो which has had a very big superstar, and therefore it's become more about him than the contestant. I'm not from the film fraternity. I
Yeah.
don't get called to Ganpati Visarjan parties or other parties.
What was Ashni Grover's rank in IIT?
1823, 1823. So I've given my shares away to my kids, but roughly let's say 200 million. Oh, this is Malaika and Arjun Kapoor. So we were in Paris in I think 2022.
Okay.
And we went to the Eiffel Tower and we just saw them. And then Virat Kohli just walked out. And to my surprise, he recognized me, right? And he
Wow.
walked up and saying कि सर अब आपको मैं क्या pitch करूं?
Hello everyone, welcome to News 18. I am Titash Chaudhary in conversation with Ashdeep. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
All good. Up next is Rise and Fall for you. What really drew you to the series?
I was sort of mildly successful in Shark Tank.
Oh, you're being modest.
नहीं modest तो नहीं पता, but there was a lot of discussions after Shark Tank saying कि I need to come back on TV. And I personally enjoyed it, so I was always game for it.
Right.
But it was all about getting the right opportunity and doing the right show, right? Because one thing which was very simple to do was to do another business or investment show, right? But then you get slotted into saying ki this is the genre. So we had a few discussions, and then finally this show format came, and it looked interesting because it sort of mimics what the real society is in a reality format, which is saying not everyone is equal. You don't get to stay in the same bedroom. You don't get to eat the same food. You don't get to use the same washrooms. Like real life, you have the haves and the have-nots.
Yeah.
The haves have a life of luxury. They stay in a penthouse. The have-nots stay in the basement. They're very basic, and there's hardship there, right? And then one of them comes out as a winner, right? So there are going to be people who start on the top and they fall, and there are going to be people who start at the bottom and rise.
Yeah.
And you never know who's going to win it, right? End of the day. So that's the interesting thing which sort of excited me about the show.
Absolutely. It's a lot like life.
Yeah.
You're right. You know, a lot of people have labeled you as somebody who could be blunt, maybe rude sometimes. Are you trying to mellow that down or use it as your USP for this show, giving contestants a reality check? What's your game plan?
Yeah, I'm just trying to be myself as much as I can be. When I did the show 3 years back, I was completely new to the TV industry. Right? I didn't even know how to act or react to things. I'm just hoping that newness has not gone away. Right?
Yeah.
Have I mellowed down? I don't know. I'm 3 years older. If you ask my wife, she doesn't think I'm mellowed down.
What do you think?
बे को लगता नहीं है कि मेलो डाउन हुआ हो इतना, गुस्सा तो अभी भी बहुत आता है. तो एंड आई थिंक मेरे से कोई एक्टिंग तो होती नहीं है. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि यू गिव मी अ स्क्रिप्ट एंड और यू टेल मी कि ऐसे करना है एंड आई विल फॉलो इट, राइट? आई विल एंड अप डूइंग व्हाट आई feel like doing, right? So, and I think the makers of the show also know that. So hopefully that will bring the freshness in the reality format as well, and people get to see the bluntness, the straight in your face attitude they saw earlier, and which they liked earlier as well.
But tell me something, do you feel like your words do offend people?
I'm not out there to please anyone.
You're not a people pleaser.
I'm not a people pleaser. मतलब वो it's not even a consideration जब मैं किसी से बात कर रहा हूँ कि अरे यार इसको लगना चाहिए कि बहुत ही अच्छा आदमी है. बस आपने जो पूछा मैं तो जवाब दे रहा हूँ. ठीक है, अब आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, नहीं लग रहा है, मेरा क्या जा रहा है. So, in some sense I don't give a damn. So, yeah.
That's great. That's a great attitude to have, I think. You know, the promos came out, you know, the one featuring Dhanashree that sort of has already gone viral.
Yeah.
Because, you know, a lot of people think that, okay, she's sort of taking a dry dig, you know, at whatever happened, you know, in her life. Were you also startled by that, or do you think this is a good game plan? This is what the show is all about?
No, I think, see, reality shows have to be about contestants. Fortunately or unfortunately, in India, we have had a very big show which has had a very big superstar, and therefore it's become more about him than the contestant. Right? But the fact is, who's putting in the hours? भाई आप तो एक वीकेंड में आ रहे हो, जो 24 घंटे लगे हैं वो तो कंटेस्टेंट लगे हुए हैं.
Right.
So I think the balance of power has to go back to contestants and the content that come out of contestants, rather than it being hijacked by someone who comes over a weekend. So in this show, I think what people will find interesting is the quality of contestants we've got.
Yeah.
क्योंकि कोई टैबू नहीं है. दूसरे शो में बहुत सारे लोगों का व्यू है कि नहीं यार मैं कंटेस्टेंट नहीं बन सकता, क्योंकि उनके हिसाब से कंटेस्टेंट बनना मतलब तुम एक स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ में हो, या तुम्हारा मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस हो गया है, या कुछ तो तुमको चाहिए है इसलिए तुम आ रहे हो. राइट. वी हैव अ क्लीन स्लेट.
Right.
We have an absolutely clean slate. And therefore we are able to attract very, very good contestants. And I think that's going to be the differentiator.
But, you know, speaking of Dhanashree, the fact that, you know, she's, for the lack of a better word, you know, Mufat. You know, she's very straightforward with whatever she has to say. Do you think it could affect her equations with other contestants in the sense that they could perceive her as somebody who is prone to conflict?
You know, contestant जाने
What do you make of it as an outsider, as a third person?
No, I think, see, आपको लाइफ में हर टाइप के लोग टकराएंगे ना. तो अब आप, you're not always going to be people who are going to put you in your comfort zone. Right? They're going to be people who like to speak things out. They're going to be people who like controversy, or who like to be in middle of things. And you have to deal with it, right? And that's what the whole show is about.
Right.
It's about putting you out of your comfort zone. It's about taking your phones away.
Right.
And making you interact with other people. And जितने इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर होंगे तभी तो मसाला निकलेगा.
वो तो है. But apart from Rise and Fall, Ashneer, have you been offered any other reality show?
No. Of course, the big one I've been offered as a contestant many times over.
Why did you not want to do it?
Why would I do it? See, आज अब अपना शो करने को मिल रहा है ना.
वो तो है.
So you say no to things and better things happen.
Right. The superstar that you're talking about, by the way, you did go to, you know, as a guest. We're talking about Salman Khan. You know, let's address that.
Yeah.
And you know, you did eventually praise his hosting skills. You know, this is a very different space. I get it. But now that you are also sort of foraying into hosting, did you pick up anything from him? You know, as a host in terms of that?
No, I think obviously he's doing something really great to be there for that long a period of time on the same show.
Yeah.
Right. I think one thing I can easily pick from him or from other hosts is you have to watch the show yourself. आपको अपना दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा, because you have good observation power. जो जनता देख रही है, अगर आप वो देख रहे हो और उसी चीज को रेजोनेट कर रहे हो, then you end up being a good game master or host or whatever you call it. Right? I think somewhere a lot of people have stopped watching the show.
Okay.
It's what it's being told in their earpiece, and that's where people are saying कि बोल क्या रहा है. So I think I'm going to be watching the show myself. So I can't be tutored or biased saying कि this इसको ऐसे बोलो और उसको वैसे बोलो. That's not going to happen with me.
Right. Did you meet him again after that whole sharing the stage on Bigg Boss?
Yeah, I'm not a...
No, at events maybe, or...
No, I don't go to any events. So
you don't?
No, I'm not from Bombay. I'm not from the film fraternity. I don't get called to Ganpati Visarjan parties or other parties as yet. I'm open to invitations. So if you want to invite me, I'm very happy. But
How are you but enjoying this new, this sudden gush of attention? You are there. We see you. You said recently that I'm earning so much more money as an influencer than I ever did as a business person, and you're doing TV shows.
yeah,
Do you enjoy it?
I enjoy it. Of course,
Huh.
if I didn't enjoy it, I won't do it.
Yeah.
I definitely don't do it for the money.
Okay.
I have more money outside
Huh.
in my investments and in my stakes in companies than I could ever make out of doing this. But I really enjoy it, and that's why I do it. And if I didn't, I won't. I would just disappear.
But for a businessman, the other label is that, oh, Ashneer could be fame hungry. What do you have to say about that allegation?
See, where's the allegation in that, right? Like,
It's a fact, you're
it's a
saying?
fact.
Okay.
It's a fact. Matlab, if you are telling me that I am fame hungry and anyone else who comes on TV is not,
Right.
or who hasn't got a chance not to come on TV is not,
Yeah.
you're fooling yourself. Everyone wants money and everyone wants fame. Most people, right? I would say want fame. I enjoy my fame. And do I do the TV? Would I do the TV if there was no fame in it? So if there's no money, there's no fame. Why am I putting the arts in it, right? So, and what's wrong in it, right? Like, a lot of people do it for the fame part of it.
Yeah.
It's not a negative thing, right? If you use it properly.
Right. I've picked up some most Googled questions, and I'm going to throw them at you, and let's see how honest you are. Okay. This is, what was Ashneer Grover's rank in IIT?
1823, 1823. Yeah.
What's his net worth?
आज की डेट में,
Huh?
like, so I've given my shares away to my kids, but roughly, let's say 200 million.
We actually got an answer there. We have asked these questions, these most Googled questions. Nobody answers this. Kudos to you. Okay. Is Ashneer Grover a billionaire?
No, 200 is not a 1,000.
Yes, but these are most Googled questions. See, people are so curious to know about you. How did Ashneer Grover meet his wife?
In CAT, MBA CAT preparation, yeah.
Oh,
In
okay.
career launcher.
Okay. Which contestant on Rise and Fall is Ashneer Grover betting on?
I'm not betting on anyone, and that's the whole point of it.
Yeah, that's true. How much is he taking home from Rise and Fall?
I can't answer that question. यार.
All right.
मेरा confidentiality clause है इनके साथ.
We have picked up actually some pictures, from your Instagram. And tell us a little bit, about you, the equation you share with these people, if, there's any, or the story behind these pictures. This one.
Oh, so this is Shraddha Kapoor and my wife. And yeah, we met her at a common filmy friend's place. And that's the one time I sort of met her. Yeah.
Okay. You do have filmy friends then. See, you do get Ganpati Visarjan invites also. I'm
This was not Ganpati Visarjan. This is like 4 people having dinner.
Okay, it was a small one. Okay. This one.
Oh, this is Malaika and Arjun Kapoor. So we were in Paris in, I think, 2022.
Okay.
And we went to the Eiffel Tower and we just saw them.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
And this one, what is this conversation, if you can share?
Oh, this is with Virat Kohli. So I was, I think, in Nagpur
Huh.
for a session, and the Indian cricket team was also at the same place.
Hmm.
And I went to a restaurant in the same hotel I was staying in. I went to a restaurant, and then Virat Kohli just walked out. And to my surprise, he recognized me, right? And he
Wow.
walked up and saying, "Ki sir, ab aapko main kya pitch karu?" Right? So, and I was telling him the story on saying, "Ki, how some agency had come to pitch him as a brand ambassador."
Hmm.
And they were telling me कि Virat is bigger than anyone else. And I told them कि ठीक है, अगर Virat इतना ही बड़ा तो मेरे को बाकी cricket team उसके आधे price पे ला दे. And that's what I eventually got. I got 11 cricketers at half the price of what I was being pitched Virat for. And Virat is a very sporting guy. He said, good good business call. So yeah, that's the story behind that.
Great. But thank you so much, Ashleer, for this chat.